Hey guys, it's Star. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use our custom object template so that you can quickly and easily set up custom objects right inside of your sub-accounts. If you're an agency owner who's in the automotive space, for example, we know that custom objects are so important for you to track certain things, maybe VIN numbers, past history on service appointments for cars, and so much more. So let's dive in so you can start using this feature today. Okay, so you're going to want to be on the sub-account level. On the left-hand side, we're just going to scroll down to settings. Once you've clicked on settings, just go under other settings and select objects. Here, when you're on objects, we're going to go ahead and select add custom object. We have some incredible templates that HighLevel has created for us. We'll go ahead and select that and then press continue. Here, you're going to see all the templates for the various categories that are currently available. You're going to go ahead and select the category for your sub-account. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and select automotive. Once you've selected the category that you're interested in importing, you can actually preview this as well. So you'll see here what's included. So here I have vehicles and service orders. It shows me the tags and it gives you information about the selected template that you're interested in importing for your custom objects. It'll show you what's inside for the vehicles in this case, as well as the service orders. We also have associations, and you can review the benefits and why this template would be a fit for you. I'm going to go ahead and choose this template. Now, before you import these objects, you'll also be able to quickly review the items that are going to be imported. So you can see the custom objects, custom fields, and associations that are specific to this template. So in this case, I have my service orders for the vehicle, as well as classifications, dates, financials. Then I have vehicle information, which include license plates, model number, VIN, so much more. We also have the associations. So once you've reviewed this, just go ahead and import those objects. Now it's going to add the template to this sub-account. Okay, so now that the objects have been added, you're going to get a notification that it's been loaded successfully at the top right. Now we can see our custom objects here for service orders as well as for vehicles. You can also delete these if you don't want to utilize them. Just go ahead and select the three dots and click on delete. Now you're going to see the service orders as well as the vehicles under custom objects. You can select service orders to see the details for that specific custom object, and you can click on associations, and here you're going to see that we have two associations listed as noted when we checked out the template. Now you can click on the vehicles and you'll see the details for that custom object, and you can also check out the three corresponding associations for that, such as the fleet vehicle, owned vehicle, and the vehicle serviced service order. So go ahead and start using these incredible custom object templates that HighLevel has provided for you today. And if you want more information on this tutorial, check out our corresponding help doc. If you want to watch more tutorials like this one so that you can learn how to use HighLevel, check out our Content Army playlist for more videos like this one. I'll see you guys in the next video.